Okay.
All right, so we have Jules here. Yet again, he's kind of our little guinea pig, and we're going to show how to do a cold laser therapy treatment. We're going to do it on his hips, but cold laser therapy is something that we can use for a lot of different things, and it works by basically stimulating cells in the area to do things that they're already supposed to do, but kind of supercharge it. So first thing that it will do is it will cause more blood flow to the area. So that just brings more cells that are carrying oxygen to the area to help with inflammation and healing. Those cells that are there, this laser will actually stimulate the hemoglobin in the blood cells to release more oxygen, so more oxygen to the affected tissues, so that helps. And one of the cooler things about it is actually within the cells themselves, within the mitochondria, it stimulates that mitochondria to produce more of the energy that cells need to do their normal things related to healing. So it kind of supercharges the healing process. So we've all got our protective goggles on. Even Jules here, who looks like the coolest dog you know, with his goggles on. And it's a very simple treatment. It doesn't cause any pain or discomfort. It's a cold laser, so there's no warmth or anything involved if you do everything properly. And we're just gonna do a little hip treatment on him, and we'll start right now. So, let's see. So we are just gonna run over the area. You can hear that sound. That is basically the laser telling us that it's doing its work. And each individual protocol has instructions for how it should be done. And once we're finished with our first phase here, it will actually change to a different phase, and you'll hear the change in the sound when we do. But the cool thing about this laser is that we can actually set it to treat individual conditions on individual patients. And as you can see here, our patient is being great. There's no discomfort involved at all. So we'll stop there and we'll move on to the next phase. Okay. And this will go on for a couple more minutes. And in general, you can do this as a one-time treatment to help with things like infections, or in this particular case, it would be part of a series where we do several over a short time frame and then follow that up kind of maintenance on an as-needed basis based on how he responds.